There we've got the blue skies of Alcacin just in the background there. So we're just at this new listing. This is a really charming little property. It's a little two-bed village house, end of terrace. It's got two terraces, you can see. So we've got the front terrace here, then we've got the upper terrace. Down below here, there's a nice utility room storage area, very, very useful. But we're just located right in the centre of a small little hamlet called Los Cortillos, and it's just full of kind of nice, very Spanish looking properties. We've got parking area over here. There's the access road, that's all been retarmacked in recent years. Lovely old Cortillo type property there. And essentially, yeah, you've got this this obviously little religious shrine here, okay, which is obviously owned by the town hall. But what we've got is a fully reformed property. It's 2 stories. A lot of kind of, yeah, care and attention has been put in. New railings, new brick walls, new toldo, that's oversized toldo that covers that entire terrace. Porches, windows, the shower room is all new tiling everywhere. I mean, honestly, it's ready to move into, and it's, like I say, a charming little place whereby you've got outdoor space. Indoors is very nice, just like nice details of the tiles underneath that little roof there. Say the toldo that retracts right the way out. Barbecue is brick built and fitted, and yeah, obviously it's a through road here, so there is essentially you know, a degree of traffic, but it's very minimal. So this little door leads into what is utility. Again, it's all been tiled. You've got electrics, electric hot water there, storage, and yeah, you've got a freezer and washing machine here. Just yeah, very useful kind of room, which obviously with a lot of village houses you kind of don't get that kind of extra storage space. So you see the electric box, that's all brand new as well. Okay, so it's all been completely rewired. Nice good quality metal door, okay, with the wood effect veneer, so that's good for high security. So into our living. Now essentially, say you've got new windows in here. This is a new kitchen, which is, at the moment, it's just one lady owner of this property who lives full time. At the moment, obviously, yeah, it's all fully, you've got dishwasher in, gas oven and gas hob. Okay, but there's ample space to put in more storage. You could have kind of more cupboards on these 2 walls here, or you could obviously expand out and have an open plan, take this wall out, and obviously then you're following through into one of 2 living rooms. Okay, so you've got some really nice features, lovely alcove here. Okay, again, all new tiled floor, and then you've got the stairs leading up to the 2 bedrooms essentially. And then here we've got toilet, so this is all brand new glass screen there, okay, for the shower. That's a good sized walk-in shower. Brand new toilet, new tiles on the walls. There's your sink and vanity unit, and then also there's a brand new door just about to go in this next coming week. Okay, so this is how new this is. There's storage underneath the stairs here, but it's really got a nice feel to it, and like I say, a lot of kind of care and attention has been put in over the last kind of 2 years. Just get a better idea of size there. Okay, so upstairs, I'm going to show you outside onto the terrace. So this is the upper terrace, okay, whereby, like I say, we have the big toldo here, and lovely sitting area. You've got fantastic views, it's a good size. Got L-shaped sofa in, and then views across the mountains, across the lower terrace as well. Okay. Just do a little pan around. Beautiful day for it. Okay, so obviously low maintenance property this is, okay, and what we've got is basically a turnkey scenario. I'm going to tell you the price, okay, so the price is going to be listed at just under 120,000 euros only. Okay, so we're talking, it's on 119,950 officially. But basically this here, you can see is the main lounge at the moment. So the lady uses it as a main lounge. It's upstairs. She's got the bedroom on just through that door there. But this essentially, again, there's space for a second bedroom. So here again, there's storage behind and above the stairs. And then through here we have another bedroom, which again, this is a nice size. Again, you got good view from that window there. Nice views, and you're kind of about, I think, 3 or 4 kilometers from Alcacin village, and just a little bit more down to Puente do Manuel. Okay, so essentially, this is a great opportunity. And I do believe, like I say, someone who wants a turnkey, ready reformed village property with the outdoor space, in a small hamlet, in a Spanish kind of community. You haven't got community fees or anything like that. It's obviously independent, but essentially, like I say, we don't have many properties like this with this outdoor space as well. So if you want further details, contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view our website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.